You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts.
Oh, hey there. What's going on? What is it? What is this thing? Huh? Huh? Alright guys, today we are taking a break from the Z in the garage and we are going to do some repairs on my other vehicles. So I'll show you what we got and then I'll tell you what we're doing. You can see right now on the frame here, get behind the camera. This is my 2002 Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. Doesn't really have too much done to it. A couple of things, it does have a intake here on the turbo. As you can see, I have no idea what brand it is. Some cheapo. This even looks factory too, but the filter ain't factory. It's just normally an airbox here. You can't really see them. You can see the upgraded air horns. I got two of them here, and they're like tucked in behind the bumper here. So gotta be nice and loud, nice and loud. Yeah, other than that, the only other thing it has is, I don't even know, I think it's like 3-inch, yeah, 3-inch straight pipe back from, from where the turbo. You can see a little bit maybe. Yeah. You can see a little bit. Yeah, you can see the pipe here, this guy here. Going down and back, it's straight pipe the whole way, no muffler or nothing. Sounds pretty good. Maybe I'll let you hear it later. If you're lucky. Only if you're lucky. If you'd be nice. If you'd be nice, I'll let you hear it. And I'll give you a candy. I'll give you some lollipops. Lollipop, lollipop, ooh, wah, wah, lollipop. Basic crap. Basic crap. It does have the dash cover on it because these things always crack, these dashes. And this is what we'll be getting to next. My other one is a 2007 Nissan Murano SL. See? And on her, on him, I guess him and her, I don't know, why not? Yeah, diesel guy, grocery getter girl, I don't know. Who knows? Whatever floats your boat. You know what? I don't care if your boat floats. Let it sink to the bottom of the goddamn ocean for all I give a your boat. Your boat could go itself. But yeah, that's the Murano. So on the truck, we're gonna replace the starter, do an oil change. On the Murano, take the oil panel off, refinish it. It's all rusty and crappy, so I'm gonna undercoat the oil pan, take it off, undercoat it. So a new gasket for that. I'm gonna do valve cover gaskets and the spark plug seals on this guy, on this girl. I don't give a on this vehicle. So let's get to it. Done with the starter and that guy. And also change the oil. So let's start it up and cross our little fingers and pray for the best. Yeah, baby! Work perfect. Look at that big old turbo! Big old turbo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What you know about that soup to nuts fixing shit? I'm gonna set the tripod behind the tailpipe. I don't know if you hear this, but behind the tailpipe and give you some revs. You hear what it sounds like. Not bad. I'm gonna do some revs by up front in the engine bay. I don't know if you can hear this, but if not, I'll put some titling here. A little titling by the engine bay so you can hear the turbo.
Change of plans. Originally you saw earlier in this video I was planning on doing all the truck work, all the Murano work, and doing a big old mashup in one big video for all of that. So now I'm splitting what was originally one video, I'm splitting it into 3 videos because it was just going way too long. You'll find out why. You'll see in the next video coming out soon, coming out very shortly. Please watch the next one. You'll find out what happened. So originally I was going to do all the truck work. I was going to replace the starter, which you already saw in this video. I already replaced, and I also changed the oil in the truck, which I already did. You didn't really see it in the video, but I did it already. And then I moved on to the Murano. That was a lot of this work. It actually did happen within one day. So I was going to make one video, one day of work, one video. I ran into problems with Murano. You'll see what happens. I don't want to give too many spoilers, but it ended up being a lot of extra work than I originally expected. It was supposed to be more of a quicker job. The truck, you know, take the editing out of it. The truck took about hour and a half or so, or somewhere around there. I ain't timing or nothing, but it took about an hour and a half. The Murano was supposed to take maybe 2 hours or so, maybe 2.5, something like that. So altogether, it should have been like a 4 or 5 hour day. Maybe a little bit of extra with, you know, the filming and doing the little extra things I do for the filming. I showed you already the exhaust sound. I showed you, you know, the turbo sound. I showed you a little bit of the truck. So that added, you know, stuff like that adds a little bit of time setting up the camera, the tripod, all that good shit. So, but it really should have just been a 4 or 5 hour day. I ran into problems. You'll see exactly what happens in the next video as long as you watch the next video. But I'm giving you triple the content. I am taking one bit of content and turning it into 3. because I care about you and I won't care about your entertainment value. I am trying to deliver you the goods. I am giving you the goods. Giving you good, entertaining here. If you don't think so, why don't you tell me what I could do better? I'm here to please you. I am here to serve. I am a servant. I am a servant by trade, sir. I am here to make you happy. That is what I do, and that was what I was brought up and trained to do. So that is what I shall continue to do for you. All in all, the truck video you see going on the screen behind me, I'm almost finished editing. This video I'm recording right now is going to be at the end of the video, which you're watching right now, which is towards the end of the video. And all the Murano stuff is getting broken apart, and that's going to be a whole other video coming out on another day. So please stay tuned to watch that stuff. Please give me a subscribe down here. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. Tell me you like me, you hate me, you can care less about me, whatever it is. I take it all, I mix it up in a batch, and I try to make some adjustments to make you guys happier. I'm here for your happiness. I'm here to make you happy. You know what I mean? I'm like an old dirty, filthy clown named Rusty the Krusty Clown. So please watch the next video. Again, like, the thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Drive fast, take chances.